Hi, Fox Van D here at Slab City in California. If you're looking for fit for expedition, you'll find me right here.
We are actually in Quartzsite today, and I'm going to show you how we refill our propane. Oh, who's this? Ron Sees America. What are you doing here?
Hey, Greg, a Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers.
Fun Seekers.
We're together on Friday, the first Friday of every month. First Friday's live. Y'all come check us out.
Yeah, come check us out.
Yep.
How's that for a promo spot? And today we're going to talk about propane, how to fill propane canisters, or the way I do it. And another YouTuber, Adventures of Traveling Mike, we're going to check out his propane setup and how he doesn't have to do what I'm going to show you. I fill these green canisters up, they're the little 1-pounders, and I use this large canister to do it. So propane is heavier than the air. So when you press in the pin and top and you have it upright, it should just be air that you're releasing to a certain extent. I usually put that pin in for about 6 or 7 seconds, and then I put it back on here and fill it up. I always shut it off here and up here before removing the hose. Okay, so that is fully threaded, and so now what I'll do is, you want this to be lower than the tank because, like I said, propane is heavier than the air. So if you have this upside down, the propane is going to come down to the valve, come through the line, and if you have this lower, it's going to force the propane down into the smaller bottle. I'll open this and I'll open that. I think you can hear that. So that's filling. So now I just waited about, I don't know, maybe 20-30 seconds until that hissing stops, so you know that it stopped filling as much as it's going to. I'll pull it off and then I will let some more air out and then do it again. You don't want to breathe that in. So you can pick up this line on Amazon. It's called an extended stay. I'm not really sure why it's called that, because that's kind of a weird name for it, but I think it was around 12 or 15 bucks. So when you let the air out of this, you can feel it get colder inside the can. We're talking about gas, Ron.
Gas?
Yeah, tell us about your gas.
Well, it's, I believe it's 78 octane, unleaded. It goes...
Different gas, different gas.
Oh, you mean the burrito gas?
No, different gas.
How about propane gas?
Yeah, there you go.
I fill I'm threaded.
Okay.
And I fill the bottles.
Okay.
Screw right into it.
You don't fill the bottles though, don't you just buy the bottles?
No, I can refill them.
That's the burrito gas.
Yes.
Okay.
With the burrito gas.
Oh my God!
Hey Mike.
How's it going, Greg?
You want to show me your propane setup?
That sounds interesting.
So we are with Mike, and he's going to show us. And Mike, talk about your channel for a second.
Just the Adventures of Traveling Mike. I do a nightly live, 11 p.m. Eastern.
You check it out, you become a friend, and everybody's just kind of buddies over there. Yeah. But he's going to show us how his propane is set up, and how. And to me, I think it's a better setup than what I got. So I'd like to kind of talk about it a little bit.
So, main tank. Gauge, line running into the trailer.
Okay.
Okay.
And let me back off and show people. So this is his trailer. It's very small, but you know I like small because you can fit it into a parking spot and that kind of thing. It's convenient, you know.
So comes in from the wall. Right down here. Okay.
Okay.
Comes up to the line. Connects here, 2 shutoffs, 2 separate lines.
Oh, that's good. 2 separate shutoffs. All right.
So now this line runs down into my buddy heater.
Okay. And this is just like the smallest standard buddy heater.
Yeah.
That's the same one we got.
Yeah, I did have a larger one, but it was too much in here, so I traded it for a smaller one. And then the other line I can use with connection. Yeah, so this one would screw on to this line.
Okay.
And I can use it for my cooktop.
Yeah, and that cooktop, I love that because it's butane and propane.
Yeah, propane, butane, yep.
Yeah. So it seemed pretty basic, and then what we were just discussing right before starting filming is it must have a regulator. Both of these things must have regulators built in.
The buddy heater and the stove have both regulators.
Yeah, they must.
Yeah.
Because I mean, because at least from what I'm saying they must, but that's from what I've read. You know. So. Okay.
That is basically it.
Okay, that's cool. I like that setup, and it's really simple. And did it yourself.
Yep.
DIY.
And, eventually, I'm gonna get this mounted over here, so the shutoffs are easy accessible. So.
Oh, just like bracketed to the wall.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So.
All right. Cool. Thanks for showing me that.
Not a problem.
Okay.
Have a wonderful.
And go check out Mike's channel. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great, because I will definitely get back to you and share these videos with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.